Hello everyone, this is Suba Mirza and welcome to Recoding. Today we are going to create a Deno project and deploy our server to Heroku. We have also provided a GitHub link of our project and all the link and code used inside this video in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to import our module. We are going to need Oak for serving our application, while we are going to need flags which helps to parse our argument. So type import and then pass the Oak URL inside Oak. First, we are going to need an application. Then we need to import all the modules inside the flags as import asterisk as flags. From then pass the URL. Inside Deno, we are going to need args and exit. So we type const inside our object pass args and exit which is equal to Deno. Then we need to set default port as port 8000 as const default port equals 8000. Then we are going to need to get the argument port as this helps to recognize that if our server is running on any server it passes its port number. Then we can check our argument port number and then we can continue our application, or if not then we set our port to port 8000 as this. We are going to write const port equals arg port. Then we pass our conditional operator. We can also console log our port as if port is not a number. Then console.log this port is not a number. And we can exit our code. After setting our port checking, we then need to initialize our application as const app equals new application. Then we set a server to give response hello world inside any path we pass inside the server. Then we can let our server to listen to our port. So deploy our code inside the Heroku server, we also need to create a proc file. Inside it, we need to pass web, our Deno run command, and then we need to pass the flags. After this, pass the cache only, so our module will cache inside the server not installed. Then pass the name of our main file as app.ts. To serve our application inside our Heroku server, we first need to create application inside our Heroku app. Then pass this build pack which is to run Deno on Heroku as Heroku still officially not support Deno. After creating our build pack, we need to push to the server to do so. First, git initialize our project as git init. Then add all changes in a file to staging area as git add. Then we can commit all our changes using git commit dash and pass a message. Then we need to git remote our Heroku server to our project directory. We can then push our code to Heroku as git push Heroku master. After our code has been pushed inside the Deno server, we need to open our website type Heroku open. And here you can see that our application is up and running. We can also create router to handle the request. To do so, type inside our awk import statement, we need router. Then we need to initialize our router as const router equals new router class. Then we can set our router to handle get request to root path and send a response as this is main path. We can also create another get method which will listen to home path. And inside it, we can pass this home path. Now we can get rid of our app serving web page as now router can handle all the requests. Then we need to pass our router inside the app middleware as app.userouter.route and app.userouter.allowed method. Now let's commit our code and push to Heroku server. Now open our browser. And here you can see that our routing is working. So this is how we can deploy our Deno application inside Heroku server. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned as we are making a full working project to use server inside the Heroku server. While you can comment inside the description box as what video you like to see about Deno or any other topic. For now, I am signing off. We'll see you in the next video.